Which gemstone is traditionally associated with the month of February? Garnet, amethyst, sapphire, emerald. The correct answer is amethyst. What is the highest vocal range for a female singer? Alto, mezzo-soprano, contralto, soprano. The correct answer is soprano. Which rare mammal lays eggs instead of giving live birth? Koala, platypus, kangaroo, sloth. The correct answer is platypus. What is the capital city of Djibouti? Djibouti City, Addis Ababa, Tadjoura, Lusaka. The correct answer is Djibouti City. Which US state is nicknamed the Pine Tree State? Maine, Nevada, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island. The correct answer is Maine. Mount Fuji is the tallest mountain in which country? China, Japan, South Korea, Nepal. The correct answer is Japan. Which type of vehicle is most likely to have a speed limiter installed? Racing car, military vehicle, commercial truck, SUV. The correct answer is commercial truck. Who was Ray Kroc? An actor, a musician, a businessman, a politician. The correct answer is a businessman. Which spring festival or goddess is often associated with Oster in Germanic tradition? Freyja, Frigg, Ostara, Idun. The correct answer is Ostara. Which dog breed is nicknamed the barkless dog? Beagle, Basenji, Bulldog, Dalmatian. The correct answer is Basenji. The city of Carthage, famous for its strong navy, was located on which continent? Europe, Asia, Africa, South America. The correct answer is Africa. Which famous painting shows the Greek goddess of love and beauty, Venus, standing on a seashell? The Birth of Venus, The School of Athens, The Creation of Adam, The Last Supper. The correct answer is The Birth of Venus. Which of the following is the largest type of galaxy? Elliptical galaxy, spiral galaxy, irregular galaxy, dwarf galaxy. The correct answer is elliptical galaxy. Which of these phrases means a short sleep, usually one which you have during the day? Dog nap, cat nap, bird nap, bat nap. The correct answer is cat nap. What is the capital city of El Salvador? San Salvador, Santo Paulo, Lima, Santo Domingo. The correct answer is San Salvador. Which famous novel tells the story of a poor orphan boy who faces hardship, crime, and adventure in Victorian England? Great Expectations, Oliver Twist, David Copperfield, A Tale of Two Cities. The correct answer is Oliver Twist. Who was Carl Benz? An American inventor, a German engineer and inventor, a French scientist, an Italian mathematician, The correct answer is a German engineer and inventor. What is the surface of Ganymede mostly made of? Ice, rock, gas, diamond. The correct answer is ice. In Greek mythology, what did the Hesperides guard in their garden, with a dragon laden watching over it? The golden fleece, the tree of life with golden apples, Pandora's box, the labyrinth of Crete. The correct answer is the tree of life with golden apples. Who won the Best Actress Academy Award for her portrayal of Queen Elizabeth II in The Queen? Cate Blanchett, Helen Mirren, Judi Dench, Kate Winslet. The correct answer is Helen Mirren. Which of the following art movements influenced Albrecht Dürer's work? Renaissance, Cubism, Abstract Expressionism, Pop art. The correct answer is Renaissance. Dili is the capital city of which of these countries? East Timor, Indonesia, Haiti, Honduras. The correct answer is East Timor. What is considered to be the world's first pyramid of Egypt? The Step Pyramid of Djoser, the Great Pyramid of Giza, Pyramid of Userkaf, Pyramid of Sahor. The correct answer is the Step Pyramid of Djoser. How did Cleopatra, the last active ruler of ancient Egypt's Ptolemaic dynasty, reportedly die? Poison, suicide by snake bite, natural causes, old age. The correct answer is suicide by snake bite. Which part of the Easter lily, Lilium longiflorum, is highly toxic to cats, potentially causing kidney failure? Leaves, pollen, flowers, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. According to Aztec legend, which sign told them where to build their capital city? A jaguar under a tree, an eagle on a cactus eating a snake, a river full of fish, a rainbow in the sky. The correct answer is an eagle on a cactus eating a snake. What is the name of the Roman architect and engineer whose writings inspired Leonardo da Vinci's famous drawing, The Vitruvian Man? Vitruvius, Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, Pliny the Elder. The correct answer is Vitruvius. Who designed the iconic glass pyramid at the entrance of the Louvre Museum in Paris? Frank Gehry, I.M. Pei, Zaha Hadid, Richard Meyer. The correct answer is I.M. Pei. Which actress has won the most Academy Awards in history? Meryl Streep, Katharine Hepburn, Bette Davis, Ingrid Bergman. The correct answer is Katharine Hepburn. What is the second largest ocean on Earth? Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean. The correct answer is Atlantic Ocean.